How to install ChatGPT on macOS. If you want to install ChatGPT on macOS, it is very simple for us to do so. Open your browser and just type in ChatGPT for Mac. Click on the first link from OpenAI that says to download ChatGPT, and under desktop select download for macOS. Now it will say unverified download blocked if you're using Chrome, then make sure to download the unverified file first. Now simply go to the file location and double click the ChatGPT DMG file. Then it's going to ask you to copy this onto the applications folder. So drag it and drag to the applications folder. And right after you've done that, ChatGPT has been installed. You can simply go to your launchpad and then you can see now that we've successfully launched the ChatGPT application. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next